Meet the Zemits Adrinox, the professional microcurrent system. This microcurrent machine helps to tighten the skin, reduce wrinkles, and increase skin tone. Microcurrent facial allows to lift, tone, and contour the face, neck and décolleté. Zemits Adrinox uses the power and specific frequency of microcurrent waves to perform effective anti-aging facial protocol. Use it for neck area, sculpt jawline and cheekbones, lift the eyebrows, contour double chin area, and recounter body silhouette. Zemits microcurrent technology delivers instant visible results for beautiful toned skin. Microcurrent facial helps to re-educate the muscles and tone the skin. This treatment helps to drastically improve local blood and lymphatic circulation. Reduces puffiness and improves lymphatic drainage. Prevents premature aging and skin sogginess. Firms and tightens skin on face, neck and décolletage. Zemits Adrinox is a beautiful opportunity for skincare providers to expand their treatment menu and increase their profit. Microcurrent is a very popular and safe treatment for a wide range of clients.